Hey guys, Tram Engine number 69 here to show you how to make custom Thomas and Friends faces. So what you'll need for this project is a hot glue gun, scissors, a blank piece of paper, a thicker piece of paper, and drawing utensils. Blue tack is optional and I'll tell you why later. So for your first step, you want to cut out a face that fits onto the engine. Now with the face you just cut out, place it on top of a thicker piece of paper and make a replica. Perfect. Then for your next step, you want to take your hot glue gun and put a giant glob of hot glue on the thicker piece of paper. Let the hot glue dry until you can put the face on it without burning your finger. Put the face on top of the glob and push down. This will give an effect as if your face was three-dimensional. It also makes the face more sturdy and easier to use. Then what you want to do is you see all these excess bits of glue, you want to cut that off with a pair of scissors. And there you have it. Your face is complete. Then what you can do is glue the face onto your engine, and you're done. What you can also do is take a bit of blue tack and put it on the engine and make more faces so you can make the faces interchangeable. So you can make them happy, sad, angry, whatever you'd like. I hope this was helpful to all you custom makers out there, and thanks for watching.